So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Boeing stock, ticker symbol BA here on Moomoo. So if you want to buy Boeing stock, simply go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass, then type in ticker symbol BA for Boeing right here. At the top, Boeing right here is what you want, press on that. Once you're here, go down to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can adjust to buy or sell. You can also go to the session type and change that. You can change the order type to either market or limit, whatever you're looking for. And if you want to type in the amount of quantity, so for example, if you wanted, let's just say 5 shares, the cost for this would be $888.70 USD. And if you want to proceed with however many shares you're looking for, press on buy and go through the process this way. So very simple. Very straightforward. This is how to buy Boeing stock, ticker symbol BA on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.